I think he was waiting for me. Seriously, he could have gone on break ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದ ಅವನು. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. We are all set to go to Munnar, and riding with me is my wifey Shoma, and for the first time we're going for a long ride. So stay tuned. So we finally hit the highway. There's huge traffic on the way, and of course we started a little late. We're about, let's say, somewhere about 470 or 480 far from our destination, and yeah, the weather is good. Today is Shivratri, so after today is when the heat will actually kick in, is what the belief is and what the history is. And there you go, we said Shivratri there. It was a close one, and so far so good. So we'll go and have breakfast in a while, but the first target is to cross the border, which is about 20 kilometers. Yeah. Bengaluru feeling missile janagale. Okay, we've come to this part where we've crossed the crux of the jam, and we've got the road to ourselves now. Oh god, how have I missed riding on the highway. The last time I was on the highway when I was on road Rajasthan. Hey guys, hope you watched all my previous videos. If you do, and if you like the stories, give it a thumbs up. Big ups to my brother Sumanth for lending me his Africa Twin for this ride of mine to Munnar. You won't actually feel it that we're cruising at 120. It's just so smooth and so nimble. Wow, look at the lean angle. I mean, it's so easy for me to lean over, and just note that, right? I'm riding with a pillion, I have a top box, and the curb weight of this bike is I think about 240 kilos. You know, with all of that, I'm still confident. And just know, this is the first time that I'm riding this bike, right? So it's absolutely incredible. So let me tell you, I've been riding this for about nearly 150 kilometers now, and there's one word to describe this. I think this is gotta be the best looking ADB tourer in terms of looks and in terms of performance as well. Let me tell you why. Now this bike is big, it's better, it's loaded with electronics. This leader class engine produces nearly 90 horses and about the same in terms of torque, right, at 7500 rpm, and it's got a 6-speed dual clutch. So there is no manual transmission, but one can set into that and, you know, paddle shift of sorts. But automatic is it's not that bad at all, right? Now, you know, when I started riding it, so once you have to get on the initial push, you will feel the weight definitely, you know, with the pillion, the top box and the curb weight. But once you're on the road, it all vanishes. It's like riding a bicycle, you know. That's how nimble I felt. Isn't this something? People don't understand the meaning of high beam, allow people to pass. Absolutely not. Okay, Here we go. I think he was waiting for me. Seriously, he could have gone on break account down. Pussycat. I'll come with you. You go. Or is he giving me away? Yeah. Huh? Okay, we are right in between Tamil Nadu and Kerala border. If you see the map here, yeah. Now we are in Kerala. Just a lonely couple out in the forest at 8:30, heading towards Munnar. But yeah, the egg omelette really helped. Definitely. Most definitely. I was feeling all low on energy and I was really doubtful if I could ride even for the next 5 minutes. But yeah. Egg omelette ki jai! Thank God I don't have my Kawasaki right now. Oof. That's close. Sumanth had told me, keep one of the legs down. This isn't like Super Sport where you can do certain cuts. So far, working. Doggy alert. Good doggy. By the way, I haven't stopped capturing the footage because you don't get to see this every day. It's quite scary. Lonely couple on road. Look at this. Whoa. It says we are 25 minutes away. Yen Guru. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇರ್ ಪಿನ್ನ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, but it's coming.